Hello students, now we are going to start with our new topic, input in Java. Uh, till today, you were doing the program in a simple way, just using simple public static void main string args, but now you are going to make a program with using input. How you are going to make a program in Java by using input? See, we will study it. Before that, we must know what are comments. We generally use in Java three types of comments: single line comments, multi-line comments, and document comments. These are the symbols of writing comment. Two slash is is written for the single line comment. This is for your multi-line comment, and this is for your documentation comment. Comments in Java are often are non-executable statement used to understand the code better and to make it more readable. We use comment in our programming so that we can understand what we are going to do and what we are doing and what we have implemented in a program. It can be used to provide information or explanation about the what variables we have used, what functions or method we have used, class or any such type of statement. So pay attention towards is we have types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment, and documentation comments. And note down its symbol, how we are going to write comments within it. We will not take examples. See, first is our single line comment. This type of comment is mainly used for describing the code functionality. Means what program we are going to do in this. It is the easiest type comment. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. It is we started with two forward slashes. Any text between uh, two slashes and the end of the line is ignored by Java implies it will not be executed. We can write it down during the execution of the program, but it is not executed. Now let's take a small example to how know what is a single line comment. See, this is a simple program. We have written two slash my first Java program. During the program you can write down this, but it will not be executed. Class sample public static void means single line comment is here. Okay, int a c is equal to a into a. It means what we are doing is square of the number. This comment shows that what we are doing, what function we are doing in the program, and there here we have got square of it. This program should be noted down in your copy and make it run into your computer. Download BlueJ Java in your system. Otherwise, in your mobile, you can download Decoder, and with the help of Decoder, you can do the your programming. Now, next is our multi-line comment. See, multi-line. What is multi-line comment? To describe full method in a code or complex snippet, single line comments can be tedious to write since we have to give two slash at every line. So to overcome this, multi-line comments can be used. Multi-line comments start with slash star and end with star slash. Any text between these will be ignored by Java. It is used to comment multiple lines of code. See, here we have written this multi-line comment. It accepts number, calculates and display the square of the number. It means this is a multi-line comment. In one line you have shown that what you are going to in the program. In single line comment, in each and every line you have to comment, but in multi-line comment in the above you can comment it only in a two or three lines. Now documentation comment. This comment is generally used when you are writing code for a project or software package. It helps to generate a documentation page for the reference, which can be used for getting information about the methods, presents, it parameters, etc. See, my name is Akansha Gautam. I study in, this is your documentation, what you are going to do. You have told about this is a type of a file, what this is known as your documentation comment. Now, what is input output in Java? See, this is very important. Now you are going to do program with your input stream reader. So how we will do? Java brings various streams with its IO package. Input output. It has a package of IO. Always remember Java input output has a package of IO, and default package in your system is java.lang, and input output package is java.io, package that helps the user to perform all the input output operations. These streams support all types of objects, data types, character, files, extra to execute the IO operation. See the source, input stream reader, then read, Java application, and then we go output, write, and destination. Now, before exploring various input and output stream, let's look at three standard of default streams that Java has to provide, which are almost in common in use. See, we use three types of stream in Java to write a program. First is system.in, system.out, and third one is system.error. This is for your input. This is standard input stream that is used to read characters from keyboard or any other input device. System.out, this is a standard output stream that is used to produce the result of a program or an output like on the like the computer screen. In this system.in keyboard, it is present by keyboard, then program on screen, it is system.out and system.err. This is your stream which you used in output system, input output system. Java, it is by default, it is system.error. Okay, it is in your system by default. Now what stream classes we are going to use? We are going to use two types of stream classes, which is input stream class and buffered reader class. In the input stream reader class, the data given to the computer is converted into machine code, that is binary form. Then the machine code needs to be transferred to the CPU in terms of binary bit or pattern. Hence, the system tries to streamline the bits so that they do not get disturbed or hampered and caused by input error. The streamlining of bits are done by input stream class. Okay, in this we use reader also, and in buffered is just to create a temporary storage memory. We just use it for a temporary storage memory in our programming. See, process to input by using input stream reader class. How we make a program? First include java.io. First we write import java.io in the program. Read it thoroughly. You have to do the program now this. After that we write class name, whatever the class we are going to take, and this. Then public static void main string radius throws IO exception. It is throws, not throw. It is misprint here. It is throws, not throw. Okay. In PPT, it will be corrected. I'll send you a correct form. Throws IO exception. Public, we write public static void main. See, throws. See here, it is written correct. Throws IO exception. T is in small. It means throw is a keyword used for your exception handling. Exception means error. It is used for a error handling. We write input stream reader is equal to new input stream reader system.in buffered reader in new buffered reader. We write this type of syntax in our program. Now this is a syntax how we accept numeric data values. To accept integer up to 30 bits, we write intn, enter a number, integer dot parse int in dot read line. Okay, we have to write when we have to take int value as an input, we have to write teacher dot parse int in dot read line. This in is your variable, it can be anything in alphabets. For float, we write float dot parse float in dot read line. For decimal, we write double parse decimal in dot read line. For character, we write within bracket character in dot read, and for string we write in dot read line, because all of the program is in string form, and when we write string args, it means all the program is in string form, and we change it into integer by writing this statement, float in this statement, double in this, char in this, and in string only we when we have to read, we don't write, we write in dot read line. Now this is a one program, simple program. See what we are going to do in this program. In a class, n number of students, number of girls are there. Write a program to input the values of n and m and find the print percentage of boys and girls in the class. See, first we have, this is a single line command to find and display the percentage of boys and girls. Then we have written here syntax of port java.io.asterisk. This means all the files. Strict star means all the files, semicolon. Class number, we have named the class as a number. Public static void main, string args, throws. See here it is the syntax right. In the previous slide it was written wrong. Throw is wrong. It is throws space io exception. Throws is your for the exception handling. Okay. Throw is used for your to remove error from your programming. This is a keyword. Then input stream reader read. This is a variable. It can be anything in our alphabets. Put stream reader system dot in. We have learned three types of streams. The first stream is system dot in. Then buffered reader. Here temporary memory is created in a variable in new buffered reader read, which has been taken from your input stream reader. We have taken this buffered reader from this input stream reader. int n m b, we have taken three variables, and we have two in double. See, system of, we have to just only enter the students and girls, under the number of boys and under the girls, students and girls enter. So we have to enter two of them, number of students and girls. Suppose we have 600 students in a class and 200 are girls. So here we will enter 600 students in class. M is for your 200 girls in the class. How we are going to get boys? We are going to get boys by minus n minus m. So rest we are going to get 400. That will be for your boys. And percentage of boys here. This is the explicit type. We will write here percentage of boys double, because int is going to be double. In this it can a person can value can come in percentage also. This is the percentage of girls, how many percentage of girls are there and boys are there. Now this is your, here we will get number of boys and girls. We will write whole of the program, and when you will exit from the program, close, then you will get a window where you will click on the void main string args in the, and then you will get a statement and the number of girls, students and girls. Then you, for this, and you will enter first, then you will click enter, then for m you will click enter, and you will get your output. If run your program, if there is any problem, ask to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Students, I'm going to set PDF of this whole PPT. Please clearly and neatly write down in your class register each and every point of your PPT. This is your notes. Okay.